Welcome back to Business Voyage, the program where we explore the lives of people who did more than build companies. They built economies. Today, we travel to the heart of Africa to follow the rise of a man who helped shape the continent's development, Aliko Dangote. He is not only the richest person in Africa, he is an industrialist whose vision pushed Africa from importing everything to producing what it consumes. This is how a small loan grew into the largest conglomerate in West Africa. Aliko Dangote was born in Kano, Nigeria, in 1957, into a wealthy entrepreneurial family. His grandfather, Sanusi Dantada, was a major commodity trader. Growing up in that environment shaped his business mindset early. He often said that as a young boy, he would buy cartons of sweets and resell them for profit. After graduating from Al-Azhar University in Egypt, he returned home in 1978 at age 21. He secured a loan of about $3,000 from his uncle. His plan was simple: import and sell goods like rice from Thailand and sugar from Brazil. The demand in Nigeria was huge. His trading business took off right away. His understanding of the market and logistics meant he was making strong profits from day one. He paid back that loan in just 3 months. For almost 20 years, he grew his wealth as an importer and distributor. But he became frustrated with the risk of depending on foreign suppliers and unstable currency rates. He saw that relying on imports made Nigeria vulnerable. In the mid-1990s, he made his bold shift. He stopped focusing on imports and began producing goods locally. He called this backward integration. It was a major risk. It needed massive capital. He moved into salt processing, then sugar refining in 1999. He built huge plants to produce flour and other everyday goods. His approach was based on 2 ideas: build at massive scale so the factories could serve the whole region, and control the supply chain by producing locally so he could set quality, price, and distribution without foreign instability. His biggest move came with cement. Nigeria was growing fast but was importing most of its cement. Dangote saw the gap and went all in. He took over a state-owned cement company and then started building the huge Obajana cement plant in Kogi State. The investment ran into the hundreds of millions. It was one of the biggest cement plants in the world. Combined with other plants like Abeshe, his company replaced the need for cement imports in Nigeria. Prices dropped, and the country became more self-reliant. By the 2010s, Dangote Cement had expanded into more than 10 African countries, including Zambia, Senegal, and Ethiopia. His idea stayed the same: Africa must build its own future. This expansion secured his place among the world's most successful industrialists. After cement, he aimed even higher. Nigeria produces a lot of crude oil, but almost all its fuel was imported. This made prices unstable and created a huge economic problem. Dangote responded with the Dangote Petroleum Refinery and Petrochemicals Complex. Started in 2013, it was built to process 650,000 barrels of crude per day, one of the largest single-train refineries ever built. It was a massive risk. It cost billions. It faced delays and criticism. But the goal stayed the same: produce enough petrol, diesel, and aviation fuel for the entire country, and still have more for export. He also built one of the largest fertilizer plants in the world to boost agriculture across Africa. This closed the loop on his industrial vision, from building materials to energy to food security. Aliko Dangote's story holds key lessons for any entrepreneur. Master the basics. Start with trading before moving into heavy industry. Move from buying to creating. Real wealth comes from producing, not just selling. Think beyond your borders. He saw problems as opportunities for large-scale solutions. His journey is bigger than numbers. It is about shaping the economic direction of a continent. It is about building what others were importing, step by step. What is the biggest problem in your country that could be solved by large-scale production? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this story inspired you, like the video, subscribe to Business Voyage, and join us next time for another powerful story.